Okay, so now we are going to launch the drone.
45 minutes এখানেই বসেছিলাম।
All of my batteries are done, all good, ready to take off. Recording started, takeoff permitted.
Takeoff. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Let's check. Up, down, rolls, means okay, cool. Let's explore this area. Let's go to a height of around 20 meters. Cool. And now let's start to explore these areas. I'm gonna go a bit more height, around 35 to 40 meters, and then let's see. I just need to be careful of the high tension wires, so I'm gonna decrease the exposure so that it becomes prominent. Birds are na? Okay, 45 meters. Cool. The problem out here is that there are lots of birds out here, and I definitely don't want to hit them. কি পাখি আছে নাকি?
Like birds have targeted you. I can see that.
Okay, time to return. চলে গেছে না? Most difficult part. I'm gonna go a bit more height, increase my altitude a bit. Let me go above the paddy fields. That way I should be safe from the birds.
But ওদিকে high tension আছে হ্যাঁ?
একটু দূরে আছে। The area is nice. So that's the Mahananda river on the background that you can see, and these are the paddy fields. I am actually fighting the wind a bit, which is good because while returning I don't have to face any problem. So there are the high tension wires which I have to avoid at any cost. So I'm not gonna lurk over there. Let's go a bit more. The place is actually quite nice, but already the light has decreased because of, so let's see what can be done.
সামিয়াংয়ের লেন্স মোটামুটি চলে, বাট প্রবলেম সামিয়াংয়ের লেন্সে অটো ফোকাস কাজ করে না বেশি।
Let me go up to there a bit.
এটার জন্য আসে মানে ক্যামেরাটা অটো ফোকাসের জন্য তো ক্যামেরাটা।
Explore these areas.
মানে যেগুলো আমাদের রেঞ্জে।
Pitching the gimbal down and up.
আমাদের রেঞ্জে যেগুলো আছে ওগুলোতে একটাতেও অটো ফোকাস কাজ করে না।
Looks like there is a signal break. Let's see.
অপশনস আছে ওদের থার্ড পার্টি নেই এটা ঠিক।
I'm not gonna push my drone because I'm definitely not an experienced pilot.
হ্যাঁ ফুজির কালার খুব সুন্দর। অটো ফোকাস লাইক ইটস লাইক
So what I will do is that I'm gonna try to bring it back.
তাই বলতো মানে অটো ফোকাস ইজ গুড। আমি ইউজ করিনি কম্পেয়ার টু ক্যানন আর নিকন অনেক ভালো। মিররলেস অফ কোর্স। মানে ক্লোজ টু সোনি।
Let's go to those areas and see what I can find. All these are paddy fields, wetlands of the river Mahananda.
আমার একটা বন্ধু ফটোগ্রাফি করে তো কলকাতায়, ও কিন্তু পোর্ট্রেটসই বেশি করে।
The problem is that when you're flying over wetlands and such a nice place like this, then you definitely have to avoid birds at all cost. It's so beautiful from above. It's damn beautiful from above.
But looks
So that's us there. I'm gonna try to bring it back because it was a very short flight, but due to time constraints and due to the presence of birds, I don't want to take any risk. There is one part that I can definitely explore without going above the wetlands, and that is this road where it leads to. Let's go to there a bit. Just and be careful about the high tension wires. The place looks amazingly beautiful from here up above. There are some houses and agricultural lands. I don't want to go above the houses. That will mean invasion of privacy, which I definitely don't want to do. So that's the entire road through where we came. That's us at the down. You can see. That's us. So I'm gonna do a quick landing right now. So that's the drone up above in the sky, and I can see a lot of birds around, so I definitely would like to decrease altitude and return back to base. That way I will be extra cautious. So that's Avijit and that's me. So that's my drone. So it was a good short flight, and I don't know, like today I won't take any chance, so I'm gonna make it land. So yeah, that's me. That's my GoPro through which you can actually hear the audio.